spirituality. How do you feel spiritually when you eat a meal that contains meat? You've probably never given it any thought, but that may be because spiritually you feel nothing after eating a meal of meat except tired and sluggish. A diet of meat makes our bodies less functional, and we think of nourishing our bodies in terms of our organs and blood, but we don't often think about how what we eat can impact the most important organ in our body, the brain. When you eat a vegetarian diet, you begin to feel physically lighter and fit. When your body is fit, your mind is also lightened. Most cultures that focus more on spirituality and enlightenment are also vegetarian cultures. From the beginning of recorded history, we can see that vegetables have been the natural food of human beings. Early Greek and Hebrew myths all spoke of people originally eating fruit. Ancient Egyptian priests never ate meat. Many great Greek philosophers such as Plato, Diogenes, and Socrates all advocated vegetarianism. In India, Shakyamuni Buddha emphasized the importance of ahimsa, the principle of not harming any living things. He warned his disciples not to eat meat, or else other living beings would become frightened of them. Buddha made the following observations: meat eating is just an acquired habit. In the beginning, we were not born with a desire for it. Flesh-eating people cut off their inner seat of great mercy. Flesh-eating people kill each other and eat each other. This life I eat you, and next life you eat me, and it always continues in this way. How can they ever get out of the three realms of illusion? These are cultures that are considered more enlightened and focus more on spirituality than is Western culture. If we are to evolve into more spiritual beings, then we must begin to manage our physical lives in a way that will enhance our spirituality, and this means taking the path of vegetarianism as a path to enlightenment.